Welcome to MegaMach Review. Today we have an exciting review of the most impressive agricultural and construction equipment for you. From powerful CAT D11 bulldozers to innovative harvesters for pineapples, olives, and berries. Meet new Holland tractors, advanced Fendt combines, and much more. Our video is a true journey through a world of high-tech machinery designed for those who appreciate power and innovation. Get ready to find out what makes each of these machines unique. Let's get started. Meet the engineering marvel that has revolutionized the scope and capabilities of modern engineering. Imagine a giant that can move mountains, literally. This titan among machines, a true king of the construction site, can do the work of dozens of people in a matter of hours. With its help, mega projects that require mass movement of materials become a reality. Today, we'll look at how this machine is making history by taking on the toughest and most critical tasks. For example, in the United States, on one of the largest construction projects, this colossus, working non-stop, moved an amount of earth equivalent to the volume of 3 soccer fields to a depth of 30 feet in just one day. And while the cost of such a machine may sound like an echo in the desert, staggering, this investment pays for itself through incredible productivity and reduced operating costs. This is truly the most powerful, largest, and most efficient assistant available today. So let your imagination soar with us, because when it comes to pushing the boundaries of what is possible, this giant knows no equal. Stay tuned to learn more about the future technologies that are available today. And remember, innovation is not just the next step, it's a new world of possibilities. Welcome to a world where high-tech machines are creating the future right before our eyes. Today we're going to dive into learning about the gold producer for modern agriculture, an extraordinary machine that makes an agronomist's dream come true. This machine is a true master of recycling, turning organic waste into valuable compost. Imagine a process that not only reduces waste, but also enriches the earth, making it fertile. In the United States, at an organic farm, this machine has demonstrated its capabilities by processing tons of compost and returning it to the earth, providing a harvest that breaks all records. This is a true breakthrough in organic farming. The cost of such a machine may seem high, but it pays for itself in savings on fertilizer and improved soil quality. We are talking about a machine capable of transforming waste into black golden soil, vital for the life of our planet. Welcome to the epicenter of innovation, where every machine changes the game. Today, we take a look at a machine that has become a symbol of progress and efficiency. It is a true athlete among machines, capable of processing materials with incredible speed and precision. That seems fantastic. Imagine being on the scene in the United States, where this machine demonstrates its power. Imagine it laboring to create a masterpiece of engineering, a huge new stadium that will hold thousands of spectators. It works tirelessly, moving, processing, and shaping thousands of cubic yards of material every day, bringing to life projects we could only dream of before. It's not just a machine, it's a milestone in the history of technological advancement that makes tomorrow possible. Its cost is as impressive as its capabilities, but it is an investment in the future, in projects that will serve people for decades to come. Meet a new revolution in agricultural technology, a machine that proves every day that impossible is just a word. It's a marvel of mechanization, a culmination of engineering designed to make it as easy as possible for farmers across America. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast field in the heart of the United States, where this agricultural giant transforms harvesting from exhaustive labor to a masterful choreography of mechanics. With a machine like this, one farmer can do a job that previously required an entire crew. It can harvest tons of produce in just one day. It's as if everyone in a small town went out into the field and started harvesting. And it's not just saving time and resources, it's an investment in the future of agriculture, where every corner of the land is used to its maximum potential. The price of such a machine? Yes, it may seem high, but it is incomparably less than the cost of lost profits from crops that are not harvested on time. Introducing the machine that has turned the agriculture industry upside down, turning pineapple harvesting into an art form. It's a technological marvel that has the potential to change the way we think about the agricultural revolution. Just think about it. This machine is able to easily handle fields of pineapples that grow under the hot sun of the southern U.S. states, turning a multi-day labor into a matter of hours. With its help, farmers can not only maximize their harvests, but also significantly reduce losses by ensuring that each fruit has the perfect conditions for picking. Now imagine, a single machine passing through a field leaves behind neat rows of perfectly picked pineapples ready to go on store shelves across the country. This is not just a saving of time and resources, but a true innovation that allows us to enjoy these exotic fruits all year round. And while the cost of such a machine may seem impressive, it is an investment in the sustainability and prosperity of agriculture. We are proud to bring you this example of engineering that makes our lives better and tastier. Welcome to the era of agricultural innovation, where every innovation opens the door to the future. Today, we are going to show you the potential of a machine that is the epitome of power and reliability. Meet the flagship of modern agricultural technology. It turns every day in the field into a feast of efficiency. It has the power to work hundreds of acres of land from dawn to dusk with the same productivity and comfort. In America, where every farmer strives to maximize yields and make the most of every minute of work, this machine has become a true symbol of progress. After all, it's not just power that a farmer lives by. The ergonomics of the cab, fuel economy, and versatility in applications make this machine not just a piece of machinery, but a true partner in every farming project. And while the cost may cause a respected accountant to take a deep breath, it will certainly justify itself in the long term. This machine is an investment in the stability and well-being of your farm. Meet the CheMroc EK150, a giant of a machine, a true titan of the earth-moving industry that will change the way you think about power and efficiency. Imagine, this colossus can dig a trench up to 5 feet wide and 4 feet deep, all in a single pass. That's the equivalent of digging a canal the length of 2 soccer fields in just one day. The cost of this monster? Over $500,000. Yes, that's the price of the epitome of engineering art, capable of accomplishing in one day a job that would take a man with a shovel years to accomplish. And you know what else is amazing? The CheMroc EK150 was recently deployed in the United States to create fire barriers in California, helping to fight some of the most devastating fires in the state's history. This machine doesn't just work, it seems to dance to the rhythm of progress, cleaving the earth in two like a samurai's sword. And every time the CheMroc EK150 comes into play, you know, it's going to be a show of unprecedented power and precision. So if you want to see real giants do big things, stay tuned to our channel. Subscribe so you don't miss the next exciting video where the CheMroc EK150 conquers new horizons of what's possible. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you something that radically changes the landscape of urban cleanliness. This is the EMC Neeless garbage truck, a true hero among garbage trucks, synonymous with power and reliability. This unique vehicle is capable of handling and transporting up to 30 cubic yards of waste in a single trip. This is equivalent to the volume that over 200 household garbage cans can fill. The cost of such a garbage truck? Hundreds of thousands of dollars. But what could be more valuable than keeping our streets clean and taking care of our planet? Did you know that the EMC Nihilus garbage truck became an indispensable assistant during the large-scale cleanup after the Independence Day celebrations in New York City? He was part of the team that brought the city back to its luster overnight. It's not every day you come across a machine that not only does the dirty work, but does it with such style and efficiency. The EMC Nihilus garbage truck is a demonstration of how innovation in waste management makes our lives better. So if you value cleanliness, progress, and engineering excellence, stay tuned for our updates. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting reviews, where we will reveal even more secrets of modern technology. Take the freshness of a berry field and combine it with a revolutionary technological marvel, and you get Oxbow raspberry and blueberry harvesters, the absolute leaders in the world of berry picking. These machines are capable of picking up to 1,000 pounds of berries per hour. Imagine, that's the weight of 4 large refrigerators filled to the brim with ripe and flavorful berries. The price of such an agronomic prodigy? It may be in the 6 figures, but how can you put a price on the ability to enjoy fresh berries all year round, thanks to technology that shortens picking time and reduces crop loss? Oxbow harvesters were the cornerstone of the recent Oregon Berry Festival in Oregon, USA, where they demonstrated their unparalleled efficiency by providing a seamless supply of berries for thousands of participants. These machines are true ninjas in the world of agriculture. They silently and swiftly, like shadows, slip between the rows of berry bushes, leaving behind only devastated branches full of fertile promise for next year. At the giants of agriculture in action. Today we'll dive into a world where one machine replaces the labor of hundreds, and we'll start with the most powerful olive harvester in the world. Like heavenly rain, olives are dropped into the hopper of this monster. With enough power to harvest 50 acres of olive groves a day, equal to about 20 Sasher fields, this harvester isn't just harvesting, it's rewriting the rules of the game. It accounts for thousands of gallons of precious olive oil, turning green gold into a liquid state of prosperity every day. And if you were wondering about the cost, hold on tight, because the numbers can be deafening. This miracle machine costs a solid $500,000, but it's worth it because every dime invested turns into a high-quality product that feeds the nations. Did you know that in the United States, in California, there has been a real olive boom? It was there, in the expanses of San Joaquin, that this harvester performed at its best, harvesting an unprecedented crop that would cover the olive oil needs of all of Los Angeles for an entire month. So, friends, we've just seen how one machine can change the face of modern farming. From the expanse of California to your table, every olive harvested by this harvester is a taste of innovation and progress. There is something that can be considered a marvel of technology. Langley Farms is not just a farm, it's an agricultural paradise where every inch of land is transformed by the most advanced agricultural technology. Spread across thousands of acres of American soil, Langley Farms produces enough produce to feed a small town, day in and day out. Here, where every ear and every fruit is the result of man and machine working together seamlessly, you'll see how an abundance of agricultural innovation can work wonders. And it's all thanks to millions of dollars of investment that translates into state-of-the-art, greenhouses, irrigation, and climate control systems. Langley Farms' success story is closely tied to one of the most striking events in the United States, the agricultural reform of the 20th century, when farmers in Illinois pioneered the use of hybrid corn seeds, increasing yields by leaps and bounds. Inspired by this breakthrough, Langley Farms adopted the most advanced agricultural techniques, making them one of the leaders in the agricultural industry. Get ready to learn about a machine that is a true star in the world of modern farming. The Fendt 940 is not just a tractor, it is synonymous with power, reliability, and unrivaled productivity. At the heart of this green giant is an engine with 400 horsepower, capable of exploding the productivity of any farm. It can be used to treat up to 500 acres in a single day. That's like irrigating New York City's entire Central Park in a few hours. And if you think it costs a fortune, you're right. The asking price starts at $300,000. But every penny is justified because the Fendt 940 turns hard work into highly efficient art. By the way, did you know that in 2021, a harvest record was set in the United States thanks to machines like the Fendt 940? In Iowa, where agriculture is a cornerstone of the economy, this tractor helped local farmers achieve historic yields. We just got a glimpse into the future of farming with the Fendt 940, where every turn of the wheel is a step toward a more sustainable and productive farming business. This tractor doesn't just change landscapes, it changes lives, making hard work easy and efficient. Are you ready to see the literal giants come off the trees? Welcome to Jackfruit Garden, where the jackfruit harvest turns into an epic event. These gardens are home to some of the largest fruits on the planet, each of which can reach a weight of 100 pounds. Think about it. A single tree can produce up to 2 tons of these fruit titans per year. This requires not only effort, but also extreme care. Here at Jackfruit Garden, professional pickers work with incredible precision to ensure that each fruit is harvested without damage, while preserving all of the jackfruit's nutritional benefits. And it's not just a harvest, it's a revolution in the world of veganism and sustainable agriculture. Did you know that in the United States, especially in Florida, the demand for jackfruit is growing every year? This delicious and nutritious fruit is becoming a real trend among healthy eating, and harvesting at places like Jackfruit Garden demonstrates how to eat deliciously and mindfully while supporting local farmers. This scale and dedication of the pickers is inspiring, showing how passion and perseverance can transform each fruit into a masterpiece. Welcome to the land of innovation, where precision meets the power of green. Today, we dive into the world of agricultural excellence with the John Deere X9, a combine that redefines the boundaries of harvesting efficiency. Picture this. It's harvest season. On the golden waves of the Midwest, the X9 combine stands at the ready, a testament to American engineering. With its dual-axis rotor system, this beast traverses crops with unrivaled speed, turning acres into neatly packaged profits with each pass. Let's talk numbers. The X9 can thresh and separate up to 7,200 bushels of wheat per hour. That's enough to fill 200 medium-sized tubs in 60 minutes. And with a hopper capacity of up to 460 bushels, this combine reduces downtime, allowing you to stay in the field and stay out of the grain bin. But the X9 isn't just about power, it's also about brains. Integrated John Deere technology allows you to monitor and optimize your harvest in real time. Imagine setting up your machine from the comfort of your cab, at the touch of a button on the display, ensuring every seed is accounted for, regardless of crop condition. And when it comes to terrain, the X9 doesn't shy away. Recently, in the hills of eastern Kansas, the X9 was put to a real test. Despite the steep slopes and uneven ground, the combine's advanced suspension system kept the machine running smoothly, proving that in challenging fields, the X9 is unrivaled. For us, the X9 is not just a machine, but a partner in controlling the land. With its fuel-efficient fuel consumption and reduced soil compaction, it doesn't just get the job done, it makes it sustainable, ensuring our farms thrive for generations to come. So, for all those who rise with the sun and work until dusk, the John Deere X9 is your ally, turning problems into opportunities and fields into bountiful banquets. The heart of America's farmland, where the humble potato, a cornerstone of meals across the nation, begins its journey from soil to table. Today, we're diving into the art and science of potato harvesting in the USA. As the dawn breaks over a 50-acre farm in Idaho, the leading state for potato production, farmers ready their machines. Harvest time is a race against the clock, a carefully orchestrated dance between man and nature. Here, innovation meets tradition. State-of-the-art harvesters gently lift the potatoes from their earthen beds. Each harvester can cover an acre in just under an hour, showcasing the efficiency that feeds millions. The potatoes are then meticulously sorted. It's a bumpy ride along the conveyor where the choicest spuds are selected for size, quality, and shape. These will make their way to your local supermarkets and, perhaps, your kitchen. But it's not just about brute force. Technology plays a pivotal role. GPS-guided tractors ensure precision, while data-driven analytics help farmers make informed decisions, optimizing the harvest, reducing waste, and ensuring sustainability. While much of the harvest will travel thousands of miles across states, a growing trend champions locally sourced produce. In recent years, a movement has taken root, with consumers keen to support small farms and sustainable practices. From the field to your dinner plate, the journey of a potato is a testament to American ingenuity and hard work. A simple spud, yet a symbol of our connection to the land and to each other. As the sun sets on another harvest, we're reminded of the cycle of seasons and the tireless efforts that ensure this staple crop continues to nourish not just our bodies, but our nation's spirit. Welcome, mighty farmers and agricultural enthusiasts, to another round of innovation and might in the field. Today, we're diving into the world of high-efficiency farming with the TerraGator 8103, a true behemoth of the fields, designed to tackle the vast American landscapes. With its robust build, the TerraGator 8103 is not your average farmhand. This machine is all about precision, power, and performance. At the heart of this agricultural titan is a robust diesel engine, capable of delivering immense power while navigating through rough terrains with grace. Imagine covering acres upon acres with a 1,800-gallon liquid system capacity. This beast ensures your crops get the nutrients they need with unparalleled accuracy. That's the equivalent of around 14,000 pounds of payload, folks, all while maintaining a gentle touch on the soil to keep it healthy and productive. Recently, in the fields of Iowa, the TerraGator 8103 showcased its might. Amidst a sea of golden corn, this machine proved to be a game-changer, turning a day-long task into a matter of hours. Efficiency? Check. Power? Double check. But it's not all about brawn. The TerraGator 8103 boasts a spacious and comfortable cabin, providing a command center for the modern farmer. With cutting-edge technology at your fingertips, you can control this Goliath with the precision of a surgeon. And when it comes to environmental responsibility, the Terragator 8103 steps up with advanced application technology, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. Because here in the States, we care about our land, and we farm smart. So, whether you're tending to the rolling wheat fields of Kansas or the vast cotton plains of Texas, the Terragator 8103 is your trusted ally. It's not just a machine. It's a symbol of American grit and a testament to our commitment to the earth. Welcome to the revolution in agriculture, right here in the heartland of America. Today, we're showcasing the marvel of engineering that's transforming tomato farms across the country, the tomato harvesting machine. As dawn breaks over the lush fields of California, our tomato harvester springs into action. Covering an impressive 2 acres per hour, this beast can do the work of 20 people without breaking a sweat. With a delicate touch, it plucks each tomato with precision, ensuring that every juicy fruit makes it from vine to basket at the peak of ripeness. It's not just fast, it's smart, utilizing cutting-edge technology to sort and size tomatoes on the go. That's a whopping 60 tons of tomatoes harvested each day. And let's talk innovation. Just last week in Ohio, a harvester set a new record, operating non-stop for 24 hours straight, thanks to its state-of-the-art solar panels and energy-efficient design. So sit back and let's watch as these red wonders are gathered one by one, all while saving time, reducing costs, and bringing the freshest flavors straight to your table. Where tradition meets technology, the EU2000 hazelnut harvester is redefining the orchard landscape. And it's a sight to behold. Nestled in the verdant groves of Oregon, the leading hazelnut-producing state in the U.S., the EU2000 is a game-changer. With the capacity to cover an orchard spanning 5 acres in just an hour, this harvester is a powerhouse, streamlining the once labor-intensive harvest. Watch as it sweeps through the rows, its advanced picking mechanism gently shaking each tree. Hazelnuts rain down like autumn's bounty, swiftly collected by the harvester's ingenious design. It's not just efficient, it's precision in motion, ensuring that every nut is gathered at the height of perfection. And efficiency is the name of the game. Recently, at a family-owned farm in the Willamette Valley, the EU2000 made headlines, harvesting an astonishing 150,000 pounds of hazelnuts, all within the span of a single day, thanks to its fuel-efficient engine and robust construction. So, let's marvel as these little gems are scooped up from the earth, ready to embark on their journey from the heart of America's hazelnut country to your homes. Join us in celebrating the harvest, where innovation nurtures nature's gifts, brought to you by the EU2000 Hazelnut Harvester. Introducing the Fendt Ideal Combine, a titan of the fields, a true paragon of American ingenuity and German engineering excellence, ready to redefine the harvest from coast to coast. As the sun rises over the golden wheat fields of Kansas, the Fendt Ideal Combine gets to work. Its sleek design isn't just for show, it's built for power and precision. With its advanced threshing technology, this combine can process up to 7,200 bushels of wheat in an hour. That's the spirit of progress in every grain. But it's not just about power, it's about smart power. The Fendt Ideal's onboard computer system analyzes real-time data to adjust its settings, optimizing fuel efficiency and grain quality. It's a machine that thinks while it works, and let's talk milestones. Just last season in the vast fields of Iowa, a single Fendt Ideal Combine set a new standard by harvesting an incredible 30,000 bushels of corn in a day. That's not just breaking records, that's setting a whole new level of performance. So, As we watch these magnificent machines traverse the amber waves of grain, we're not just witnessing a harvest, we're witnessing the future of farming, efficient, intelligent, and unstoppable. The Fendt Ideal. Combine, where the ultimate harvesting technology meets the heartland of America. Stay with us as we bring the story of agricultural transformation home to you. Deep in the rugged terrains of the American Rockies, where traditional machines dare not tread, the spider excavator emerges as the master of all domains. This isn't your everyday excavator. With legs designed for stability, the spider excavator clings to the earth, defying steep slopes and treacherous ground. Its ability to navigate where others simply can't makes it an invaluable ally in environmental conservation efforts and critical infrastructure work. Each foot finds its footing, even on loose soil or rocky crags, while its articulated boom reaches out like the arm of innovation itself, digging, lifting, and clearing with astonishing precision. It's a true marvel in motion, capable of conquering landscapes that were once thought impassable, and talk about versatility. From the densely forested Appalachians to the arid deserts of Arizona, the spider excavator adapts to its environment like a chameleon. Its latest feat? A delicate operation in the wetlands of Florida, where it successfully prevented soil disturbance while managing aquatic vegetation, safeguarding the home of the American alligator. So let's gear up and join the journey of this eight-legged wonder, the spider excavator, as it redefines the boundaries of heavy machinery and brings engineering excellence to every corner of the nation. Stay tuned as we climb every mountain and cross every stream, showing that with the spider excavator, no place is beyond reach.